happening, everybody? Welcome back to TWR. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming through again. And if you are new to the channel, please check out some of my other content. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you get notified anytime I put out new content. Also, if you are feeling comfortable and like this video, please interact with it in any way you feel comfortable, which is either hitting the like button or dropping a comment below. Either one would be much appreciated. So as you guys can see, I am out here in the reptile room. I am still in my dad robe here. It is really early in the morning, but I definitely want to get this video out before I headed out for work today. So today's video is really all about thanking you guys, all 701 of you. Yes, it's official that we have actually passed 700 subscribers. Now we did hit 700 like a week ago actually, and but it went back down below 700 for a couple of days, and now it's been at 700 for about 3 or 4 days steady now, and I think we're about at 701 right now. So I'm very thankful to all of you who have currently subscribed to my channel, who've been following for a long time, who are new to my channel. All of you are super awesome. I really appreciate all that support, and I just really want to say thank you all for that. Now of course I am shooting for bigger. I am shooting for 1K. Now I've talked to you guys about this before and talked to you about plans for a giveaway that I would like to do when I actually reach 1K, which I will talk about in a moment. But first, blow! We've got some mail. Now, one of these mails have honestly been here for a little bit, and I've just been trying to like find the energy and the time to really just get around to doing it, but it just keeps getting put in the back burner, so I do apologize to those of you who sent me this, but they are here, and I am now definitely going to go ahead and reveal them. Now, this one was actually opened by my partner because it doesn't have my name on it or any return anything. It literally just has my address, so she wasn't really sure whose it was. Once she opened it, she realized quickly that it was for me. So that being said, first up we have a sticker from Predator BP. Now, I'm not sure if you guys are following this channel, but if you're not, you 100% should. This dude puts out great content. He's over in the UK. Really fantastic ball pythons, really great skills, gives really great breeding tips and all those type of great things. And, you know, as a person who is going into breeding house snakes, even though he's doing ball pythons, I've learned a lot of great tips and things to prepare for when it comes to breeding in general from his channel. So if you have not checked him out, please check out Predator BP. Great dude, really knowledgeable, awesome character. Man, I really appreciate this dude, and you know, maybe one day I'll get to travel and actually meet fella, but really awesome dude and awesome sticker. Really happy to have one of these, and hoping I can somehow, I don't know, he didn't put a return address, so maybe I'd have to reach out to him. I'm not sure how much that would cost, but I would love to send him a sticker back to show support. So there we go, Predator BP, everyone. Next up, and I hope everything is coming out clear here. I'm moving around and my camera focus has been doing some weird stuff lately. But next up, I hope you guys didn't see that, but because I don't want to put people's address, but we have a letter or stickers or something else in here, maybe a card from My Animal House, also here on YouTube. If you have not checked out that channel, please check it out. They've got pretty decent content over there. I just really appreciate being able to support other reptile channels, and this is one that's been supporting my channel for a long time, and I've been supporting their channel for a bit, so I'm really happy to support another channel like this. So My Animal House, oh, nice card, says thank you, take care and stay wild, My Animal House. There we go. Awesome stickers. I really like this. I like that. Check that out, guys. Is that a sticker too? That's a big sticker. Got a little sticker and a big sticker. Those are great stickers. I'm digging that. I'm digging that. So y'all, check out My Animal House here on YouTube. Another great YouTube channel for reptiles, like and other animals. You know, not just reptiles, but you know, great channel. Check it out. If you're looking for more channels with animal content to follow, check these people out. Good stuff. Good stuff. People. Not people. Check out the channel. So Now, that being said, stickers, I am going to be getting paid soon, so I will be returning stickers to those individuals as well as a few others of you that I said I would like to do a sticker swaps with. So once I actually get my funds and get some stamps and get some envelopes, I'll even do a video on that, show you guys the envelopes, show you guys the stickers in the envelopes, and let you know who's all getting those. But even if you do not have stickers to swap and you're not a part of that, as I said, I am doing a 1K giveaway, and I do have a bunch of stickers. So I am doing that for this giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 10 of my stickers to lucky winners on that giveaway when the time comes, when I actually reach 1K subscribers. So when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway where I give away 10 of my TWR stickers to a lucky winner. So if you want to be a part of that giveaway, drop a comment below letting me know your dream reptile. That's it. Drop the comment below, let me know your dream reptile, and when I actually reach 1K, I'll come back to this video, put it in that whole random picker thingy that people use, and pick out 10 winners for this giveaway. That's it. That's all, y'all. So spread the information, share my video, share my channel, let people know what's happening, bring them on over, whatever you got to do to get my numbers up. Help me out, guys. I'm going to be doing things on my end to get my numbers up. I hope you all help me out as well to get my numbers up. So 1K subscribers and I give away 10 stickers. Now, I'm not sure how long that can take. Even if it takes a while, I may even up my giveaway by the time, it gets close to 1K. I might be in a position to do something better. I'm hoping to even get maybe some shirts or something done at some point, and maybe even have one of those as part of the giveaway, depending on how long it takes. But for right now, I'm saying for sure there will be 10 stickers given away when I reach 1K subscribers. So that's all, guys. I wish I could give you more. I wish I could have, I wish I was already a breeder that could be like, oh, I'm giving the snake away. I think that tends to get a lot more of a reaction. But you know what? I have stickers, and if you want them, you can get them. You just gotta help me out. Help me get to 1K. 10 winners. That is a big chance for a lot of people to win, opposed to like the 1 or 2 that people usually do. 10 winners. 10. So help me out, y'all. Let me know what's up. Hit the comment. Let me know what your dream reptiles is if you want to be a part of this giveaway. That's all. I hope you guys have a great day because I'm starting to ramble. You all take care of yourselves. Love yourselves. Love your loved ones. Love your reptiles. And you guys keep spreading those herbs.